That's the freight train, and there's a passenger train up at State. So I suggest you don't pull it out here because it's at the foot of the grade. So I suggest you give them lights right through. So 22, 21. Yep. And that's 22. So you've got a green over red, and there's 21 with a green. And this upper quadrant is the first auto in the section.
Oh yeah.
So as the train goes through, it will operate everything in the correct order.
So now you've got those set to green.
So he's gone past the home, so 22's gone back, so the top unit's gone to red.
Yep.
That's the main drag and circular.
That's just here, isn't it?
Yeah. So that's the main street of Turkau Township, which is quite a big town. Yeah. Turkau owned its life to the fact that it was a crossing loop in the single line days, and also was a big timber mills for Kururi timber for sleepers. We'll take that in a second.
Yep. So this one here is being held at stop.
Yep.
By
so you've got to re-stroke 22. Now what you do is you tickle it, finger, come up against the stop, tickle it again.
Oh, okay. So if I put that back.
Yep. Now you can put it back now as you like come against that because the track now.
Oh yeah. I heard that.
Yeah. Now pull 22.
And then.
No, you've got to stop. It's passenger train.
Oh right, because it's on the platform.
Yeah. So you've got a yellow top on the home.
Yeah. So that's Yep. And a red.
It's gone past this first train going past the first auto.
Oh yeah. So that's 11 points.
Yep.
And at the moment.
Yeah. So normal. Yep. Just wait till the machine drives. Yep. Now 2.
And then.
Now that light's gone out, and you'll see here, it's no longer red.
Okay.
And 2 ALR's dropped out, which means that the signal's approach light.
So he's now sitting here.
Yeah, so he'll get the yellow over green on the distance.
Right, we've put
and then
11 points.
Yeah, so he'll come along here and stop.
The down main.
Oh, okay, he must have been at the home. Yeah. So he's gone past the home. See 2 RGPRs picked up. Top one, right at the top. So that means that the signal's now red, but it's still approach lock. Oh no, approach lock is timed out too, so that's good. But you can't put it back because
it's interlocked.
It's interlocked, yeah, you've got to wait for the tracks back. But the alarms have started. So that means that it clears all the public off the track before it gets the light.
Now the passengers are going to come here offline.
Yeah, he was sorry. 10, 3, 2, 1.
What's that, 10?
Yep. 3. Just gently, just stroke it, tickle it. It's a lady, look after it.
Yep.
1. And now 12. And what you've done now is you've put the frame to sleep. But the interlock will still work in the back. Yep. So you've cleared that home signal, green over red, and there's your intermediate gone.
Okay, so signal
48, so that's that one. 48 top unit, and there's the
okay.
Yep.
Right, so that just gives the signal. There's your points.
Yes.
Normal and reverse.
Now if you try and do something naughty, it won't let you.
Okay, because it's all interlocked.
Yeah.
Relays.
Yeah. And this is a relay interlocker.
Yeah.
Whereas those
as opposed to mechanical.
Yeah, that's mechanical. That's electric. Marker's pulse.
Right.
There are no marker lights on them, and they depending on the shape of the arm as to whether it's permissive or absolute.
Oh, okay.
So that's a permissive.
Yeah.
And that arm is about to get shifted.
Yeah. Permissive versus absolute. Absolute means that you've got a controlling the signals, meaning that you cannot pass.
Or it means you stop and stay there.
Stop and stay.
Yeah, stop and
Whereas
stay.
Permissive is controlled by the train position.
Stop, wait 10 seconds.
Yeah.
Yeah. Proceed cautiously, expecting to find a broken, misplaced rail, another train,
Obstruction.
defective crossing alarms.
Can you look at the bearings on the end of that?
Come down this way.
There's something green down there.
They get it?
Yep, they got it.
Yeah, that's what I
The record's 2 days. Mind you, he was a relay phone, but still. So what's happened is there's a train on the block coming towards us. So there's actually a distance signal out here, which is that searchlight, and I think it's green.
That's one, yes, like your one, Brett.
Yeah. Yes, it's green, yeah.
The arrival is this one here.
Right, which is
The SGE signal, so it should be yellow.
That one's yellow, yeah.
And the departure is this one here. This is red. Okay. Now, there it goes. He's just gone past the distance.
Yep,
So that's gone to red.
yep.
And it should black out when the back end of the train goes past it because it's approach lit.
Yep,
we got
so
the
it's gone
links.
out.
We got
Right,
the links
okay.
of all your trains.
Right. So now you've got a top yellow and the block's pole changed. So now the departure's gone to green. See the panel,
Oh,
the
yes,
green
yeah,
one?
yeah.
And it has, it's gone to green. So now he's got a yellow top on the home, which is that one. And when he's off the section, which he is now, you can stamp on that economizer button. Yeah. Throw it back. Okay, so jump on number 4s. 3, 2. Yep. Tickledy. Not answering. Or you can ring them on the RA phone too. Sorry, white T 219.
Will somebody get that? Find it.
Nah. They wouldn't know how to operate an RA phone. And that's actually had a little bit of network issue, so I'm going to get it back on the railroad.
Okay. So you make
There's
a
our
program.
train just locked on it. Gunfire. Sound of the train going through at 100 mile an hour. Yeah, he's on the approach now. So he's between the home and the distance. That's the approach light, and the distance gone back. So he's actually in there now, coming straight through. And now he's just gone out the other end. That's the approach indicator. That's a 1908 General Railway Signal Company indicator. Yeah, 1908. And then roll it out of the way, build these pumps, and then roll it back up, jack it up, and put it on. That's why it's got these holes from here, because there's pipe and 4 track jacks.
Oh, so you could lift it up
Lift
and
it up,
shift
holes,
it.
yeah. It's a mammoth job. You can see a dirty great big hook come down over there and actually capture the lever. Ura? Ura? Ah, bloody train controllers. Or you can ring them as well. So control read phone 207. G'day, yeah, it's a rower here. 229 through at 37. Thank you. So that's how you know the operator. So he knows that there's cord on, and then what they do is they put the cord on 4 and talk to you. And you say number please, righto, and then they put the call through. And if you want to ring 6, what they can do then is call the extension. And when the extension answers, you can put the call through. And you do that with this. That's how they work. So when you've finished your call, you hang up. Yeah, that drops channel 4 to know that the call on chord 4 is finished. See the chord 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, so now 4 is finished, so then just do that. Yeah, and they were made by the workshop. So they're solid brass, beautiful mechanism inside.
Yeah.
Now this one works every time. Perfect.
Damn.
That one's got the guy's name scratched on it, that one hasn't.
Yeah.
We tracked them down.